Welcome to JH. Today we're reviewing the Amtrak Guest Rewards Credit Card, a piece of plastic specifically designed for those who believe the journey is more important than actually arriving on time. This card helps you earn points when you spend money with Amtrak, as well as on mundane things like groceries and gas. Though don't expect the same reward rate for your bread as you get for your sleeper car. It's essentially a loyalty program for people who prefer the rhythmic clatter of tracks over the joy of a middle seat at 30,000 feet. The points you earn go straight into your Amtrak account, where you can use them for tickets or upgrades. It's a solid setup if you're a frequent traveler, especially with that welcome bonus that gives you a massive point boost after you spend a specific amount in the first few months. It's the financial equivalent of a participation trophy that you actually had to pay for. You also get priority boarding and a checked baggage credit every year, which is great for making sure you're the first person to claim a spot for your oversized suitcase, while everyone else is still fumbling with their tickets. However, let's talk about the catch, the annual fee. If you aren't living on a train like a Victorian-era wanderer, paying every year for these perks might feel like a bit of a scam. Plus, these points are strictly for Amtrak. If you're looking for flexibility to book flights or hotels, this card is about as versatile as a one-way track to nowhere. It's a fantastic choice for the die-hard rail enthusiasts, but for the occasional traveler, it's probably best to just buy a ticket and keep your dignity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.